17. Film it.
Yeah, I see.
Look at all those evergreens up there. They look like the pictures you see of them in the Rocky Mountains. Spin them.
Johnson and Oldies 96.3. Here's a song.
This is the second day of our big winter storm of 94. Temperature out here now is about 5 above. The wind's blowing about 10 miles an hour. I think that puts the wind chill at like 17 below zero. The lake seems pretty well frozen over. We haven't tried to walk on it yet though. Tonight the temperature is supposed to be 3 below zero with about a 20 mile an hour wind, so we're looking at wind chills in the neighborhood of 25 below zero, something like that. Here comes Hillary. She likes it. This is one of our arborvitaes, which is normally a little bit past that gutter in height. Hope it makes it. There's a big evergreen tree in Purdue's yard. And that's our little magnolia tree. Well, this is the second day of the blizzard of 94. Temperature is about 3 below zero this morning. The wind's blowing about 10 miles an hour. I think the wind chill's about 25 below. It is cold. Lake's pretty well frozen over. A little bit of thin ice up here near the shore, but for the most part it's a rock.